Resort, 1 bedroom apartments with a large kitchen and swimming pool, and you've got a area for the TV as well, wee couch to sit on, double bed, air conditioned, and the wardrobe and the fridge and the coffee teapot, and you've got water as well, water, coffee. Then you've got the shower as well, toilet here, and the wash-hand basin, and you've got the shower here, and the TV is a smart TV. These are 500 baht a day, including the kitchen and the pool and private parking. I'll take you down to the pool and I'll show you the pool. First of all, I'll go to the kitchen, that's what I'll do first. Nice big private parking over here, undercover parking. And it's only 25 metres down to the pool. I'll go down to the pool next. I'm going to go to show you the kitchen. Here you've got the kitchen as well, with the rice cooker, and kitchen's all fitted out. You've got the cooker and the oven and the toaster and toast, what do you call that thing, making the toasties. Fridge. It's all set up, just ready for cooking. Next to this is the washing room to do your clothes as well. I'll show you that. We provide clean bedding, towels, soap and coffee, and wash machines as well. If you want larger rooms, I'll show you a larger room if you want it. You can have for 3 people or 5 people, but I'll show you it. Just over here. It's got a double bed and a single bed. Same again as over there. And the TV. This is for 3 people. But if you want more, if you need 5 people, then you can have this one as well, so there's no problem. You can have 2, 3 or 5 people, it's up to you. And you work on a computer, it's got a computer desk. Okay doke, so I'm going to show you the pool now. But nice accommodation, nice, and it's got an inside kitchen as well here, and a shower, toilet and wash-hand basin, and the swimming pool's down here, and the flower garden. Look how nice the flower garden is. And down the back, if you want, you can have a 1 bedroom pool villa, 589 baht a day. But down here it's nice and quiet. Toilet, shower, kitchen, and barbecue area. That's a 2 double bedroom villa, 900 baht a day. And like I say, down here you can sit as well, you can have drinks down here and relax down here. And here you've got the barbecue area, seating area, drink beer here, and you've got the pool. Okay dear, that's Leeya Resort in Udonthani. Just Google Maps, Leeya Resort, Udonthani, and you can find lots of information on the Google Maps, and it'll show you the GPS and the location. If you want city centre apartments, then you can just give me send an email or that, and I'll tell you more about it. Okay doke.